Hello. Today we are going to say these animals with your English voice. The first one, cat. C-A-T. Cat. Cat. Next, dog. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Dog. Next, bird. Bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Bird. That is a beautiful bird. Next, horse. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Horse. Mouse. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Mouse. Pet. P-E-T. Pet. Pet. A pet is an animal that you can have at your house. So, these are pets: a cat, dog, bird, horse, mouse. These animals can be kept at your house as pets. An animal like a lion or tiger are not pets. You cannot have them at your house. Excellent job with pets. Well done. Goodbye.